In this video, we are going to compare sugar and jaggery to find out which one is a better sweetener for our overall health, and we are also going to cover another very important aspect to see how sugar consumption indirectly contributes to environment pollution. Let's get started. Let us first understand how they are made. Both jaggery and sugar are made from sugarcane juice but are processed differently. In case of sugar, after the initial boiling of sugarcane juice, the syrup is treated with charcoal and other chemicals to absorb unwanted particles, which gives it a clear, transparent look. Then the solution is condensed and crystallized. It results in sugar. On the other hand, there is no chemical treatment for jaggery. The sugarcane juice is simply boiled for several hours to produce a thick paste, which is then cooled to get a firm shape. To put it in a summary, since sugar goes through a rigorous industrial process while being prepared, it loses all its nutritional value along the way. On the other hand, jaggery retains all the traces of vitamins and minerals in them. Being natural and unprocessed, jaggery also provides the following benefits over sugar. It can activate better digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes when taken after meal. Cough can be relieved when jaggery is taken in combination with black pepper. Joints pain may subside when it is taken with ginger. It can provide relief in breathing and respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis. Jaggery, according to Ayurveda, protects our lungs and is good for treating throat and lung infection. In fact, workers who work in dusty and smoky atmosphere, such as in woolen, silica and mining industries, eat a small lump of jaggery to clear their windpipes. Jaggery consumption is recommended over sugar in case of patients with iron deficiency or anemia. Since jaggery is generally heated in iron vessels, it is rich in iron. The various antioxidants in jaggery can also build your immune system. These are the following things you should consider while eating jaggery, as it may also have some side effect for some people. Don't take it if you are a type 2 diabetic, because just like sugar, these two will be raising your blood glucose level. If you are prone to inflammation or if you have ulcerative colitis, it is better to avoid it. If the jaggery is being prepared in unhygienic conditions like this, then there is high chance of developing intestinal worms or parasites after consuming it. This is how you can identify a good and a bad jaggery. Jaggery should be dark brown like chocolate or copper color. If the jaggery is yellowish or golden bright, then it has been treated with lot of chemicals and is harmful for health. If your jaggery is salty or bitter in taste, or if it has crystal, then it is not pure. Most vendors add chalk powder in jaggery. In order to check its presence, all you need to do is dissolve a piece of jaggery in water. If you see powder-like substance coming out and settling down in the water, it indicates chemical treatment. So when it comes to sugar versus jaggery, jaggery is definitely a healthier option. But remember that jaggery is also a sugar form. Both sugar and jaggery in your diet is equivalent to adding excessive calories in a day. There are two types of jaggery available in the market. One is big solid shaped and other is jaggery powder. While both have hot potency, which means both will heat up your body, jaggery powder is little less hot. People with cough, cold and those working in polluted and dusty environment should prefer whole jaggery, and for those who have lot of heat in their body and get pimples frequently, for them jaggery powder is better. Solid jaggery is better in winter season, while you may prefer jaggery powder in summer. Jaggery powder has less moisture content, hence it lasts longer. Jaggery is eco-friendly compared to sugar. According to World Wildlife Fund, sugar industries pollutes air, water and soil. While jaggery is produced by cooking sugarcane juice in an iron vessel, sugar undergoes various treatment, purification and crystallization, which not only waste several gallons of water but also pollutes natural water resource where the wastewater is dumped.
Locals complained about the fact that this mill is poisoning the water, it's polluting the water.
Only pond that is there, which is used not just for agricultural needs but also for animals and for animals for drinking water. And the entire pond is said to be poisoned with the chemicals, and the fish have started dying. And not just that, using that water for agriculture also is leading to crop failure. So the farmers have been complaining for a while, but no action really has been taken against the mill.
The locals are saying for the last 4 years they have not seen any clean water flow in this river.
At a close glance of the river, its waters appear like gallons of used oil from a car engine. Downstream, it's hard to tell that there is a river here.
So why does the river turn black?
No, you go and see
River is not black at all.
Do your effluents, the ones that you've just treated, have the very color, black.
We used to drink this water and also wash our clothes with it, but we can't do that now.
This river was a source of fish for the locals living in this area.
After pouring effluents into the water, tilapia and mudfish died.
Others claim that the polluted water ravages their skin.
Are you trying to mean that the locals who complain that their river is polluted are lying?
I will say there is some political interest in them.
Yeah, the water stinks a little bit, yeah.
It could be better if we protect it.
It only happened in only few months' time that the scowl is polluting the whole locality, community, and the allegation came that ladies are having miscarriages and all that. Now if ladies are having miscarriages, what about our staff and ladies living here? Are they all having miscarriages? This confusion of H2S is baseless. You see, we are so much conscious of the environment. We have planted 1 million trees.
But you've cut many more than that.
No.
They are claiming about that they have employed thousands of people. Yes, we don't deny that one. They can employ thousands of people, but killing the generation which is coming.
Share this video to spread awareness about sugar's harmful effect on our health and environment. You may consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated. Thanks for watching.